let's settle in and invite your soul into the meditation. You may now release the thoughts that were with you in the morning, during the night, or through the day, depending where you are right now, and take a few moments to arrive. Now take 3 gentle and abundant breaths here. Inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. Allow the exhales to be longer than your inhales. In this way, you signal your body that you are safe and ready to go deeper. In today's meditation, you will completely release any sense of unworthiness, not being good enough, any feeling of not being worthy. By the end of the meditation, you will feel whole and complete again, just as you were born. You will have the freedom to create the life that you're meant to create. Sometimes you might get the feeling that you are not deserving of all that life has to offer. You may find asking yourself, who am I to think to deserve this? The answer to that is in your very existence. The fact that you breathe, you have beautiful air filling your body right now. You sit right here, right now, with your soul in your hands, is the very answer that you are fully worthy. You are born whole and complete. Otherwise, you would not have the gift of life. Your soul, that it was given to you at birth, is whole and complete every second of your life. You are your soul. And when you doubt the worth of the soul, that it was given to you, when you allow petty thoughts and other people to diminish its worth, you simply disconnect from the simple truth. You and your soul are worthy at all times, every second of your life. It is that simple. Now imagine your soul is like a magnificent golden circle. It might not be perfect, and it can be in any shade that comes to your mind right now. Just see the circle shining bright right in front of your eyes. This circle is full of light. You see wonderful shape of light spreading all around you. You see this perfectly shaped circle, and you realize that it's whole and complete, no end and no beginning. You see clearly that you cannot take away any piece of the circle, even if you try. It is whole and complete. Now just imagine other people in your life trying to take a piece of the circle. You see them extending their hands and trying to grab a piece of your precious and beautiful circle. And each time you see them doing that, they fail. They wave their hands more and more, and they try to grab your circle, but they just float their hands through empty space, just like they would through the morning fog. That the circle is divine. It is given to you to preciously guard it and carry it through your life. And now you see that it is whole and complete every second of your life. Your soul is your worth. Your worth is whole and complete every second of your life. Now, with this renewed knowledge in your body, with this memory revived in your soul, you fully open up and you manifest your true self-worth. Now take 5 deep breaths and gently whisper to yourself on each inhale, I deserve and I am worthy. And gently whisper on each exhale, I choose a life of deserving and worthiness. Inhale in, I deserve and I am worthy. Exhale out, I choose a life of deserving and worthiness. I deserve and I am worthy. I choose a life of deserving and worthiness. Now slowly come back to the room and make a note with your body of this wonderful feeling. Allow your body to absorb what it belongs to your body. Allow your body to absorb its self-worth. As you slowly come back to the room and go on with your day, take some moments and repeat to yourself gently, I deserve and I am worthy. I choose a life of deserving and worthiness. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes.